Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube channel profile picture. So let's get started. First of all, go on Google. You can use any browser and type CODEXRADAR, Codex Radar. This is a website that I use, and you can see profile picture, YouTube profile. Click on it and paste the channel URL. In my case, I'm going to share my channel URL, so copy it. There we go. Paste it, get pictures. So here we got. So I hope you like this video. If you like, you know what to do. Thank you.